that's kind of me. Who could have painted a better picture on the dance floor? Do it slow or fast mode, get me in the right flow. I see you deep in my eyes, your hand between my two thighs. Thick vibes, smooth lines, you got me feeling the high. Thought I was finished, come a little closer. Got a side on my hips while I sip on my mimosa. Doing things the way I told you. Ring me up like a telephone. And get inside me like a skeleton. I feel your body heat, we grooving on the beat. Please breathe and be the other half of me. We tuning in another frequency. Cause baby, hold on. I'm feeling the noise. You see, I got you on the right side of your boy. Hold on. I'm feeling the noise. Cause baby, hold on. I'm feeling the noise. You see, I got you on the right side of your boy. Hold on. I'm feeling the noise. You see me for who I am inside. Hold on to my heart, baby, while we ride. Do it, shine. I got the epitome. Everything that's divinity. That's why I get up on the dance floor. Check it all out, let the ancestors go. Do that 1, 2 till I can't let go. Love is the only language I know. So hold on. I'm feeling the noise. You see, I got you on the right side of your voice. Hold on. I'm feeling the noise. You better the noise. You see, I got you on the right side of your voice. Hold on. I'm feeling the noise. You better work. Y'all see what I'm saying? That's noise. I wrote that like a week ago. I'm gonna help in the studio right after this. Don't trust and believe. That's the debut, first time ever performing any of that. Thank you. Thank you so much for your assistance, my love.
Oh my goodness. Great blessing.
Thank you. Hey, hold on. I'm feeling the noise. Yeah, that's going crazy. That was but again, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all.
She's on all platforms.
Yes. Ooh, but thank you, Blackmosphere, for supporting, and having this platform for us artists to just do what we do and how we do it, lay it all there out on the floor. That was me laying it out for y'all.
I need a choreography.
So again, comma divine. You can find me _Reology, REOLOGY. Because I got a few different names, I do a lot of different things.
No, baby.
But yes, I didn't finish. That's my set.
No problem.
Thank y'all.
Keep it going.